Hi everyone! Many of us have more than one registered device. It can be a web phone, a desk phone, a smartphone client, a WAir, etc. Are you irritated to hear all of your devices ringing each time you receive an incoming call? If you're having this problem, most probably you don't know about Ring-Only Active Device feature. So here is my collaboration. You can see that currently I have several active devices. If I receive an incoming call, all of my devices will ring loudly. Now I no longer want to hear all of them ringing. I only want my desk phone to ring loudly. If this is the behavior that I want, first of all, I should make sure that the correct device is selected here in the device selection field. And then I should enable in Collaboration Settings, Personal, Ring Only Active Device feature. Save. You can see that right now only my desk phone is ringing loudly. My other devices, including web phone, are still ringing but silently. I can still pick up the call from any of my devices, but only the selected device rings loudly. If this is the behavior that you want, keep Ring-Only Active Device active. If you want all of your active devices to ring loudly, keep the feature disabled. There are several issues you might run into when it comes to selecting the active device for incoming calls. Issue number 1. You have selected the smartphone client as your active device. But after some time, you can no longer see it in the devices list. It disappears. Don't worry. After several minutes of inactivity, the smartphone client goes into sleep mode and disappears from the list of active devices. This is a normal behavior and it prevents the application from exhausting the battery of your smartphone. Once you receive an incoming call, the application will wake up, so you will receive the call to your smartphone. Issue number 2. You have selected mobile in the device selection list. Ring-Only Active Device feature is enabled, but still all of your active devices ring loudly. Just to make it clear, here I mean you're not using the smartphone client, but the old mobility feature. This is the smartphone client, and this is the old mobility feature. Sorry, but for the old mobility feature, this is a normal behavior. All of your devices ring loudly. If you want to receive an incoming call to your mobile phone number as soon as possible, just make sure that you have set up a very short timeout here in Collaboration Settings, Features, Enable Mobility with Timeout. Issue number 3. Sometimes it happens so that for some reason all of your active devices start to ring loudly again, even if the option Ring-Only Active Device is enabled. How to fix it? Go back to Collaboration Settings, Personal, disable Ring-Only Active Device feature, save, and then enable it again. And make sure that the correct device is selected here. Save. Thanks for your attention and see you in our next video.